Hello, this is James Jock, your local real estate guy, bringing you your latest market update for February 2024 for Clinton County, New York. It's going to be way more information than you see in most other market updates, so make sure you watch till the end. We're going to start out with some of the overall basics, and that is that we have 1.88 months supply of inventory in Clinton County. This means that if no new homes were listed, it would take just 2 months to sell all the homes that are on the market right now. And over the past year, we've seen a decrease of 10.05% in months supply of inventory, indicating a very strong seller's market because there's less for sale. Now, if we look at the list to sold price ratio, this percentage is currently 94.3%, showing that sellers are able to still achieve close to their asking price in this market. But what I'll note about that is that this number, when the market was really crazy with multiple offers and the prices going way up, is that was closer to 96, 97, 98% then. So the list to sell price ratio has come down a little bit, but it's still very favorable for the sellers. That also assumes that you're priced at the market. If you've been on the market and you do a price adjustment and then it goes under contract, that's reflecting the list to sell price ratio at the listing price at the time it went under contract. And if we look at the median days on the market, that's now at 61 as of February, which means on average homes are selling in just over 2 months in Clinton County, New York. That's something to keep in mind. When the market was crazy, that was quite a bit lower than 61, but that's where we are now. And the median sold price in Clinton County is $199,500. This is a great opportunity for sellers looking to capitalize on the current market conditions. So let's take a look at some details and dive into some of those numbers a little bit more. We're going to start with the median estimated property value. Why is this important? Well, it's important to get an idea where property value is gone. So this chart actually starts back in June 2008, way on the left, and that shows where the property values had gone down significantly right when there was a bubble that burst. So that's when that made a significant change. But now you'll see since then that prices and home values have gone way up. Let's just focus in on, like, say, the last 3 years, going back to like March 2021. You'll see that that we've gone up quite a bit there. Our 12-month change is up 3.5%. Some markets, when you focus in a little bit, not just the county, but down to some of the town levels, that was like 10 times that, where we had seen property values in some areas go up 35%. So this is the 3-year view. Here's down to the 1-year view, where it's only showing a little bit more of a change, that 3.5%. All right. So scrolling down to new listings, this is the number that I think is most important because, following this in the statistics that I have access to, you'll see that it'll say how many are pending, how many are sold. It's like, well, if it doesn't get listed, it's not going to be pended or sold. So let's focus on that. Median price, 2 years. Let's go a little higher. So you can see going back to 2019, January 2019, we were at like 156, and then now we're more like in the 235. So you can see that gradual trend there. And as far as the number of properties, you can see here January and even February wasn't a whole lot of change. January 2024, we had 41 new listings. And if you look back in all these low points, that's usually December. January is about where that is. Same over here. January 2022 is 28. November was 27. Jump back again. January of 2021 was 28. So January, February is when realtors go on vacation. No, I'm just kidding. That's when the market's always the slowest. People don't want to list their homes here typically in the winter time, although it can be a great opportunity because there's less competition. Let's see. Let's jump down again. Active listings. Again, right now there are 86 active, but you can see that that's a low point going back quite a ways. Even the previous winter's slow time last year was 97. Right now we're at 86. So that gives you an idea that, everybody's saying last year was a really slow year, and it was, and we're still seeing that slide kind of take over. But as we move into 2024, all the indications are that things are going to be picking up. Some of these other statistics I'm not going to hit as much. Let's hit days on market though, median days on market, because that's an important one. Let's look at the 3-year trend. So you'll see even here, September 2023, 9 days on market was the average there, which is crazy fast. Even June was a fast month with 9 days average for Clinton County. And then what was interesting though is March of last year, homes were on the market 78 days. So we've come down even from there. So that indicates that, they're right now compared to a year ago, that things are moving faster than the previous year's slow time of year, if that makes sense. Month supply, same thing, we talked about this. There's the all-time. Here's a look at the 3-year. Now compared to January of last year, wasn't too far off of that. A little more supply, and the year before that, not too far off where we were now, just a little under. So it just kind of ebbs and flows. That is a little bit more detail on the deep dive. If you're thinking of selling your home in Clinton County, obviously from these numbers, now is a fantastic time to do so. With low inventory, high list to sell price percentages, and a quick turnaround time on the market, you could potentially sell your home for top dollar. Thanks for tuning into this market update. If you have any questions or interested in buying or selling a home in Clinton County, feel free to reach out. I'd be glad to help you.